Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming the second to last video of my lace frontal wig series, which is how to lay down your lace frontal and style it. I'm also going to put a part of my last video that I didn't get to include in the other video, which is how to secure your lace frontal with an elastic band. So I'll show that part of that video here because it was too long to include in the other video. And then I'm going to show you guys how I lay it down, style it, and all of that. I'm not going to go too much into detail on how I lay down my lace frontal wig because I've already done a video on how to lay down a lace frontal wig. You guys can click on the link above if you want to see that video. So I'm just going to quickly go through that in this video. And then if I get a chance, I'll probably show you guys how I remove the lace frontal wig. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this, please keep watching. So this is the elastic band we cut off from the excess cap. You can use it to secure your lace. So I'm gonna sew this on the side first, and then I'll do the other side. So this is how it is. This part you really need to glue down, but at least your elastic band is on, the wig is flat. I prefer this method over cutting out this. Okay, some people cut out this sideburn completely so that they can then use the wig without having to customize it every time, which is fine, but then just know that your edges are going to be out. Okay, so if you cut this part out, then your own edges are going to be out. If you're okay with doing that, then by all means, you're just not going to be able to probably pull the hair up much. So it becomes a bit pointless having a lace frontal wig if you can't really pull your hair up. So I prefer to leave the sideburns on and then customize. So yeah.
Ting, 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 ting.
In my next and last video, I'm going to show you guys how I remove the lace frontal wig, because I get a lot of requests on that. Please keep watching, and please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.